Now, dynamic props are like static props, except that they can move. They can play animations and can also have what are called parents. They can attach to these and then they'll move wherever their parent does. The cups you see the soldiers holding in the movie are a good example of a dynamic prop. Those are a little more complex than what we're covering right now though, so we'll come back to that later on in the tutorial. Also, dynamic props have their shadows cast in real time, like your characters. Now for my dynamic prop, I'm going to create the APC vehicle you see parked in the video. That'll be pretty easy. So select the Entity tool, then go to Prop Dynamic. Click there, go to the Select tool, then double click on it. We want World Model again. Oh, and here's the parent value I was talking about earlier. But for now, just click on Browse. And this time we're searching for APC. And there it is. Now notice here in the info, the only option checked is Dynamic. This is good because this is what we want, but if we wanted this to be a static prop, it couldn't. It's just not an option. Now we could make a static prop with this in the editor, but as soon as we tried to run the game, it would disappear. So these values really are important. So click on OK, then Apply, and Close. Uh-oh. Now he's double parked. That's a bad example to be setting for a soldier or a cop or whatever. So let's double click on that and fix it. We can change the angle in this window here. So let's turn it 90 degrees. There, see that's better. I guess he's still kind of taking up both parking spaces there, but it's a wide load vehicle, so we'll cut him some slack. Now even in that overbright mode we use for previewing, this is still going to cast shadows because they're done in real time. So we'll look for that when we run it. Dynamic props use dynamic shadows, a wild concept. And this prop can move around, but it's just going to sit there for the time being. Now let's create a physics prop.